Remember, it's just a test.
You're watching Birmingham Television. Coming up in half an hour, our return to the public eye with the Community Television Network in Mason County. But for now, our required commercial break goes underway. See you soon.
Escape convention. Escape definition. Escape compromise. Experience the most fuel-efficient luxury car available. The 42-mile-per-gallon CT Hybrid from Lexus. Break free of the status quo.
It'd be easier to compare. You think these all cost about the same. They all give safe drivers a discount. But what's this? Only Allstate gives safe drivers something more. A bonus check. Every 6 months, you drive accident-free. So what's it going to be? Eeny, meeny, miny, or more? Shop less, get more. Make one call to an Allstate agent.
Call Allstate now, and you'll also get a free lifetime membership in good.
Civil danger warning for Jefferson County and surrounding counties. The following message is transmitted at the request of the American Divisional Television Company, with assistance from the government of Japan, under the request of the Minister of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology, known as Yoshiaki Takaki. For a long time now, it was told that human beings have always desired to want to have their imaginations fulfilled when it came to fictional realities, such as having a best friend, a loved one, or even an obedient servant of some kind, all from the physician we ourselves have created. It was believed that, without proper equipment or technology to create such a capability, we would be unsuccessful in this hypothesis. However, after a shocking circumstance occurring in Tokyo, Japan, we can confirm that the time is upon us to find out. While it is unconfirmed at this time on how such a supposedly impossible circumstance had occurred, Japanese scientists have confirmed to the public that humans are now capable of summoning any item or individual from fiction. Right now, you may have noticed that all of your mobile devices have obtained an application you may not recognize, and cannot uninstall or remove. This application seems to be the key to doing so. It also may be the reason for some humans being transformed into the apparent style of the fictional productions that Japan's numb culture has produced. This is described as being a part of the numb you're familiar with. If you're in this familiar style, you likely won't be changing back anytime soon, or is there a way to know if it has happened immediately or not? If you hear any screams from anyone inside your home, that is likely because they have noticed themselves being in this alternative appearance. You can still respond to them as normal, but there's no reason you will be able to stop them from the transformation. Those whom you love dearly and care about will likely still be recognizable, though it may take time to confirm so. It is expected that within the next few hours, all of America and eventually the entire world will become transformed, regardless of any individual's race, gender, or any other factor. You may also have your speech temporarily distorted as your mind changes partially. We wish you the best of luck during this transformation, as it has been told that this is more or less painless. Characters that we know of that have appeared in Tokyo, Japan are as follows, and may have yet to have proper existence confirmation, according to the government of Japan. Ourselves from another reality, Kaiiiii, and countless others, including those from the apparent Dragon Ball series. While it is also concerning that some of these individuals are causing destruction in parts of the United States, this kind of circumstance is also occurring in Japan, more so with the amount of violence being taken place within Tokyo. No matter where you are or who you are, however, you will most likely experience this fictional ability without a choice to flee it. If you are in a location where destructive damage as a result of violence has occurred, please be aware you may see buildings collapse or property damage escalate. In this case, get to an underground shelter if you can, or evacuate these areas to safer locations immediately, preferably in shelter. As information becomes available about this ever-growing situation, our uncertainty continues to grow. We will have more instructions to give once we understand the current situation ourselves. The feast cannot come until the table can be prepared. God help us all.